Good afternoon, guys. This is Vikrant from Sandeep Chadda's team.
So 2 minutes for this one, huh?
I would be talking about data analysis first before taking down to your target. Data is what? Data is basically raw information. But when we talk about raw information, it doesn't mean that it's not relevant, it's not fact. Any data is factual, it talks about fact. It could, data is raw information, it could be contextual in terms of how we use that data. A data can be useful to me, might not be useful to somebody else. So it's how we contextualize that data. Objective is to defend our proposition, to formulate a strategy, to appraise a situation. Where do we get the data? It's readily available, but we have to understand if that data is readily available, from where to get that data. Collect data from different sources, and some data can be found from research based. Types of data: ADEX, IRS, ABC, internal IMS, company financial reports could be a source of analyzing the data. Look within triangle of data, look for abnormalities. What is my action plan based on data? Giving feedback for correction, strategizing for success.
Thank you.
April to June, my base target was 1.4 last year, against which I had taken a target of 1.75 crores, and I had achieved 1.80, which was about 5% over the last target. Revenue generated from new clients was Neha Mehndi, which gave me 12 lakhs, DuPont 10 lakhs, Zamil AC 4.74, Dalmia Cement 1.4. So in total, from the new client, I had generated 28 lakhs. July, September, base was 90 lakhs, target is 1.4. Achievement till 31st July is 14 lakhs. Business expectation: August 53 lakhs, September 73 lakhs. How to achieve my target? Groverson would be giving me 15 lakhs, iShares 30 lakhs, Yama 50, hospitals, which covers Fortis, Max and other hospitals based in Delhi NCR. Notice 10 lakhs, DS Group would be 15 lakhs. Thank you.
Thank you.